Both cilium and flagellum emerges from centriole-like structure which is called right. The name chromatin was given by right. The outer membrane of nucleus remains continuous with right. The perinuclear space is about right. The following cells are without nucleus. A. Erythrocytes of many mammals. Right. The site of active ribosomal RNA synthesis is right. Chromatin contains A. DNA. Right. How long a DNA is distributed in our 46 chromosomes? Right. Based on the position of centromere, the chromosomes are classified into how many types? A. 1. B. Right. Match the column. List I. A. Met. Right. The following diagram shows a chromosome. Right. Select the incorrect statement. A. Microbodies contain various enzymes and are present in both plant and animal cells. B. Few chromosomes have non-staining secondary constriction of constant location. This gives the appearance of a small fragment called the satellite. C. Nucleoli are spherical structures present in nucleoplasm and it is a site for ribosomal RNA synthesis. D. Every chromosome essentially has a secondary constriction or the centromere on the sides of which disc-shaped structures called kinetochores are present. Right. Identify A, B, C, D, A, F and G given in the figure. A satellite, B secondary constriction, C centromere, D long arm, A short arm. B. A secondary constriction, B satellite, C long arm, D centromere, A right. Assertion. Bacterial cells may be motile or non-motile. Reason. Bacterial cells may or may not possess cilia. A. If both the assertion and the reason are true and the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. B. If both the assertion and reason are true but the reason is not a correct explanation. Right. Assertion. Bacterial cell walls are not like the plant cell. Reason. Bacterial cell wall is not made up of cellulose. A. If both the assertion and the reason are true and the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. B. If both the assertion and reason are true but the reason is not a correct. Right. Assertion. Membrane transport occurs through the carrier proteins. Reason. The transport carried by carrier proteins is always passive. A. Right. Assertion. Cristae are the enfoldings of outer membrane of mitochondria. Reason. Electron transport occurs in mitochondrial stroma. A. If both the assertion and the reason are true and the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. B. If both the right. Assertion. Eukaryotic cells have more DNA than prokaryotic cells. Reason. Eukaryotes are genetically more complex than prokaryotes. Right. Assertion. Schleiden and Schwann were the first to observe the cells and to put forward the cell theory. Reason. The cells are always living unit. A. If both the right. Assertion. In animal cells, the lipid-like steroidal hormones are synthesized in SIR. Reason. The smoother is the major site for synthesis of lipid. A. Right. Assertion. Lysosomes help in photorespiration. Reason. Lysosomes have basic enzyme. Right. Assertion. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of cell. Reason. ATP production. Right. Assertion. DNA is associated with proteins. Reason. DNA binds around histone protein that form a pool in the entire structure is called a nucleosome. Right. Assertion. Cell wall is not found in animal cell. Reason. Animal cells are covered by cell membrane. Right.